Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the drop. This is your boy man Gale, Mr. Do this all the time. Sha sha. Even spring to swika, spring is here, spring is here. Aye, tracksuit na the gown, aye, vana. Today what tungo, Rajia the bikini na the shorty. Yeah, man. And I think I see spring around na the party. Usna the gigi, usna the bash, man. That's why I'm here to give you gig guide ya Heiwege from the 2nd of September up until Ichia ngani panda, man. Let's see what's happening on the gig guides. Araba Venda Kanava Josie. I got you covered, man. Araba Venda ngazi 3 the September, which is Saturday. Avaya pala kwa Max. There's a celebration, birthday celebration yatenda. About 50 rand gets you in. Ka VIP, ka VVIP, 100 rand gets you in. General, it's only 30 rand. Hudoba una watu nga bo raswa fuwi, bo rooster, bo root kid vendor, bo the DJ, Fistos Valley, na bangwe banji. Lisha ninge vendor futhi. Nga Friday never the 2 the September, man. Casual acts, fundraising bash. Ujena ni 20 randa fezi. Hapa ndihagore secondary school udobona rukidi kuspa banana tiger boy na Mr. Mpuna man. Hey man, it's new school phase yafanoni. That's why I come to get Chikoroni. So you guys make sure that you go and check out that bash in the whenever la hagore secondary school. This is for the good cause, it's for the fundraising, man. Moving on, man, we're still on the 3rd of September, which is Saturday. The link up farmers market. Yeah, on stage udabona road kid na bangwe banji. Hapa ikweterwa guy Nenzi Entertainment and Overnight Accommodation Chituni Chahagave Dingerere yafanon. Yeah, man. This weekend is going down. It's going down. Here's another one in a private location. In the Spring Fest. I told you, man, it's all about spring because, hey, we got some feast, as you know, man. Now, the 3rd September, Saturday, private location. I was speaking of all on a road kid. As I'm going through the gigs, man, you can see already, you know, see you offend. Yeah, man. Another one. Pro Heat is back, man. Pro Heat is back. I think he's launching his EP ngati 3 the September. Fala, one and only Cabal Villa. Cabal Villa, man. Make sure that you go there and enjoy, man. EP ikolonchi wane fala. Bari VIP ujena the 150. Hapa huwote the mahara. Ni jeneka VIP, you also get Pro Heat perfume. Yeah. Line up your horn, there's Pro Heat, Fortunator, Rootkid Vendor, Mazware, Mukororo, Batondi, Pros Boy, Nabangobanji. Make sure that you pull up at Cabal Villa, ngati 3 the September, Varido Tumangasigis, PM. The gown already decided high. Let's move on, man. Another one on the 3rd of September from 6 p.m. to 6 in the morning. Yes, about it, the night with Metro CMG, Rachakil, Mpuna, Benning Doctor, Rastabatu, Nabangobanji. Because one another Rachakil and Fala. Hapa Equatia Chino, Green Valley, Ujena, it's free. This one is free, guys, so make sure you don't have any excuses not going there, man. Make sure that you pull up and you support the guys, man. Chino, Green Valley, this Saturday. Your MC, Dindanduna, Dintumapura. Another one on the 2nd of September, which is Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we all gigging, man. This is the welcoming of Spring Bash. So you know, I want to need that to Haramagoma. Rachakilo Bahone. And the Kuvi hapa. Rachakilo Bahone. So you guys make sure that you pull up there and support the guys, man. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the younger Monday, Hayani, and we'll tell the boss that, hey, man, we're sorry for not coming. So now, anembre jenenga pantha zwino hana maifheri u fhela mano wa munna ndi jozi zwino u khou ṱangana mini dupa masuvhelele dupa masuvhelele birthday celebration nga dzi 3 dza september heyi i khou itiwa ndi tshiawelo heinoni havho vhanna havho elisa swikani line up i tight ndi khou vhona mamas boy ḓo vha hone ndi khou vhona vho anti boy dupa masuvhelele vhathenga ndi khou vhona na ene muṋe muḓifho ḽine thwadzi swikani tshiawelo havho elisa ni ḓe ni sapote dupa masuvhelele kha birthday yawe hanefhaḽa another one man hei ndi ya vhathenga i khou itiwa nga dzi 3 september huno ḓo hu saturday ndi vhathenga birthday celebration i khou itelwa thembisa swikani hanefhaḽa line up ya hone yo fura yo khwaṱha man the lineup is packed there's vp talking vhathenga humbulani ramagweja ro fhiwa nethwadzi jenika mamas boy tora akoli mandiza just to name the few man vari make sure that you get there around 3 p.m then show iḓo i khou thoma and u dzhena vari hai dzhenani ngo to hwenya just walk in man just walk in don't worry about the payment this is for you guys Batenga birthday celebration on the 3rd of September. Aninge Tembisa. Make sure that you pull in, man, and support the guys, man. Another one, Chiawero. Venda Sun. Welcome Spring Bash. Ikituane pala Soweto, Chiawero, Venda Sani. Ngazi 3 September. Don't miss this one as well, man. So you see that you have so many choices that you have to go to, man. So there's no need for you to get bored. You can go anywhere you want to go, man. But hey, you sponsor wanga Venda Sani, Venda Hustler, na Soweto FM Radio. Line up ya hona ina Ragze, Kumbrandra Magweja, Netwadzi, Matora, Tora, DJ Signota, Mama's Boy, Nabongo Banji. So make sure that you pull in, man. Make sure that you pull in and support the guys. Which one do we have again? On the 3rd of September again, man. Yo, it's going down. After nobody, Rena P Post Mukwebo one-man show. The great Mabutosi Pub. And if a Chiawero. Make sure that you pull up, man. Make sure that you pull up. Tikiti, early bed is 80 rand. Generala, Varinand Randa. VIP is 150. Bafumakadze. Varindi 80 randa. P-Post man, one-man show. Ukusapatiwa ngabonyi. Ngabo, arabona zondi kusapatiwa ngabonyi. Ndikomona nabo event, apaba hone ba MC. Event mukwebo. So yes. Ndikomona Bella Fonte. Otaba hone na kusapota. Tora majiga. Ndafanchi ndani hone 9. So guys, make sure that you go, man, and support the guys, man. Auna uboreya. Let's all welcome spring and make sure that we have fun. Drink responsible and make sure that if you see me in one of these shows, man, holla, man, because Street Talk Podcast will be there covering some of these shows. So without any wasting your time, make sure that you comment and tell us which one you're going to go to and which one are you looking forward to. It's a boy man Gale, and this is the drop. I'm out.